Alright, we're back working on the Ghia. I've got an issue with a couple noises in the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up a GoPro, two of them actually, in the back here, one on each side, and see if I can capture what it is. It's kind of a squealing noise. I don't know if it's the fan, wheel bearing, or whatever. So we're going to turn those on and see if we can get something cool. At least figure out what's wrong with them. Okay, so it's the fan. Alright, so I guess I'm going to tear into that really quick. It's kind of hot out here in case you can't tell. Well, I didn't see much with my camera where you can go inside of stuff, the probe camera thing. So I've taken the fan and the alternator out. I don't really see anything in here. Let's kind of show. I don't see any rubbing at all. The only rubbing I can see is over here. Now it's very slight, but it looks like it's been rubbing right there. And maybe that's enough to cause noise. It's pretty loud, so it's hard to tell. I mean, all it has to do is touch it, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to go through and put this shim on behind here so I can shim that fan out and then go from there. I mean, it's very slight, real thin, but I think that'll be enough to keep it away. I'm also going to flip this. The alternator, I watched a video from a pretty big store and they said to put this on the top. That's not where it's supposed to go, apparently. This vent is supposed to go on the bottom. I mean, I think it accomplishes the same thing because it's all inside, but yeah, I'm going to flip that around so that's all fixed. Alright, I just torqued it down and I'm going to spin it. I hear no noise. So far, so good. Yeah, I just got to put all the rest of this back together. I got to put I took quite a bit off. I thought I was going to have to take this off, but I figured out a way where I can just not do that. I took the fan off from behind, then undid all this, pulled this out and took the fan out the front. I saw that on another guy's video that's a lot smarter than me, so I used it. Alright, let's get this put back together and we'll see if we can if we got our noise fixed or if we've got another one we got to chase. Alright, so everything's back together. We're going to take it for a test run. I've got my GoPro set back up here. I'm going to hook up another one and we'll see how she does. Hopefully no noise. Cross your fingers. All right, it looks like we got the noise. I'll take that as a win. I think that's where I'll stop the video on this one. Thanks for subscribing and watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.